Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. We welcome you all to today's episode, which is the second episode of our Noble Bayan journey. And today we'll be talking about an interesting family, which is what? The Kenu family. As you all know, you can see this is the Kenu. So we're talking about the Kenu what? Kenu family. So now we have three members of the Kenu family. We have what? The firstborn, the secondborn, and the what? And the thirdborn. So now we have what? The firstborn, which is what? You can see, it says what? Ba. This is what? Ba. You can see, Ba is in blue. This is the firstborn here, blue. Ba. Then we have the secondborn, which is what? Ta. And you can see, Ta, secondborn, which is green. Then we have the third one, which is what? Tha. And the what? The third, which is in red, you can see the third one red. So that's why we call them what? The Kenu family. We have the first, second, third. So if you look at this, we have the what? First, second, and third. So we have first, second, and third. So now this is what called Ba. So whenever you see this blue of the what? Of the Kenu family. So what I want you to understand, if you're following me, what you should get is that whenever you see the shape, this Kenu shape, whenever you see it, you can see this shape. Whenever you see that Kenu shape, you will know that this is what? Kenu family. So it now depends if this is what? If it is the firstborn of the Kenu family, the secondborn of the Kenu family, or the thirdborn of the Kenu family. So now how do you identify the firstborn? The firstborn of the Kenu family has what? Has just one dot on that. Can you see? One dot. So we call it Ba. So whenever you see the Kenu family, this shape, whenever you see this shape anywhere in the Quran, and you see this shape, you see what? You call what? You say what? Ba. Because why? It is from the Kenu family and it is what? Having one dot on that. So whenever you see the Kenu family that has just what? One dot. It's called what? It's called Ba. So now for the second born, pay attention, oh, because I'm about to mention, oh, so pay attention very well. Now if you look at the second born, you can see it has two dots. This tells you that what? It is second born because what? It has two what? Two dots, correct? So we have 1, 2, which is what? Ta. Say Ta. The second born, you can see second born is green, and this one too is what? Is green in the Kenu family. So we say what? Ta. Second born is what? Ta. So it has two dots. Whenever we see two dots, we call it Ta. If we see a Kenu family and it has two dots, what do? We call it Ta. Now the next one, which is what? The third born of the Kenu family. If you look at it, you can see 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. That tells you that this is the third born of the Kenu family. So you can see, whenever you see this Kenu shape, you can see whenever you see this shape and you see these 3 dots in any part of the Quran you are reading, it is called Tha. Say Tha. And whenever you want to pronounce Tha, listen, no, don't come and go, wow, it's not like that, oh. You pronounce it like this. Tha. Your tongue touches your upper teeth here like this slightly. Tha. Tha. It's more or less like you want to restrict an airflow slightly. Tha. That is Tha. So that's for the third born of the Kenu family. So now we have the first born, which is Ba. We have the second born, which is Ta. And we have the third born, which is Tha. And these entire members are called the Kenu family. Hope that's understood. When it comes to the Kenu family, it is very, very simple. It's not hard. It's simple. Sure, you've had. It's simple. When you just see this Kenu shape and you see the members there, 1, 2, 3, it is called the Kenu family. So how do you identify the firstborn? The firstborn is always having one dot. If you see firstborn, 1. Whenever you see the secondborn, it is what? 2. It has 2 dots, which is what? 2, which is Ta, as we said. It is what? Ta. Then we have the third born, which is what? Tha, because it has 3 dots. Now let me ask you a question. This is what? This is called what? Ba, correct. Why did you call it Ba? It has 1 dot. Excellent. You can see the dot there. It has 1 dot. That's why it is called Ba. How about this one? Ta, correct. It has what? 2 dots. That's why it's called Ta. Then this one is what? Don't forget 3 dots, and it is the last born, and its third born is what? Tha. Excellent. Correct, you're right. So it is called tha. Now, I want us to practice something together that will make us to remember this. So now let's call, don't say it loud, oh. Don't say it loud. Let's call our mommy and daddy so that they will come and see the family. So now, mommy and daddy, they should come and see what? The Kenu family. So the first born is what? Ba. We say what? Daddy, come and see. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 oh. Ba, ba, ba. Which is the first born of the what? The Kenu family. Then we have the second born. Mommy, come and see. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, 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 oh. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, 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 oh. Which is the second born because it has what? 2 dots. Excellent. Then we have the third one, which is what? Tha. Which is what? Tha. Ustaz, come and see. Tha, 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 tha. Tha, 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 oh. Tha, 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 tha. Tha, 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 oh. So now we've actually successfully dealt with the Kenu family, which is, this is the Kenu family. Whenever you see the shape, this Kenu shape, it tells you that what is falls under this family. So we have the Ba firstborn, Ta secondborn, and Fa the thirdborn. And I believe this is well understood. And this brings us to the end of this wonderful episode. See you in our next episode. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.